Hello Gus, back again on the UseMT channel. This time we discuss how to mod Wallcraft, one of the most popular wallpaper apps on Android. This app locks premium wallpapers and its best features behind a paywall. Now we will dissect the APK and see how the subscription validation works at the Smali level. We will decompile the APK using MT Manager, track the method that is responsible for checking premium status, then patch the logic directly from the cell phone, no root, no PC. This is purely for educational purposes. Understanding how an app implements license validation is a basic skill that you must master in Android reverse engineering. So if you are interested in the field of mobile security and want to upgrade your Smali editing skills, this video is really for you. Okay, let's just open the APK and see what's inside. Screen recording is not permitted. Well, now we check the results. We open the app, and look, the premium status is now active. All the wallpapers that were previously locked can now be accessed. This is proof that the Smali patch that we did earlier was successful. So what we did earlier, we changed the EmptySubscription class to PeriodicSubscription, so that the app thinks you have an active premium subscription. This technique takes advantage of Wallcraft's way of differentiating the type of subscription object. EmptySubscription is the condition when you have not yet subscribed, while PeriodicSubscription is the object that is returned when the subscription is active. By changing the class reference at the Smali level, we can override this condition without touching the server validation logic at all. Once again, this is purely for learning, so you can understand how the subscription system works in Android applications at the bytecode level. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the UseMT channel for other reverse engineering tutorials.